Okay, so now they grew bacteria in different nitrogen sources, one in N15 and one is N14. Let me tell you, when the bacteria grown in this salt, they took up this nitrogen and all their DNA was having N15, and when bacteria are grown in N14 for several generations, their DNA are replaced by this N14. So now this N15 and N14, they can be differentiated by this ultracentrifugation. Let me tell you, they took DNA from this, they took DNA from this, and they derived a control when they were put in a centrifuge tube. When they were put in a centrifuge tube, N15, as it is heavy, this acquired a lower position. So this is N15 by heavy nitrogen, and when this is taken, that means to a centrifuge tube, they took DNA from both the sources and extracted from the bacterial cells and put that DNA into the tube, and that when it was centrifuged in density gradient centrifugation, N15 occupied a bottom to its density at a lower position, and N14 acquired a position at its position. This is called light DNA. So here I want to tell you, N15 acquires a lower position in the centrifuge tube after centrifugation, and N14 is a upper position because of density. So here density is like this, lowest and highest, because I do tell you this is density gradient, because the salt that was used during centrifugation, that acquires a gradient, lowest at the top and most dense at the bottom. So depending on the density of the DNA, they equilibrate. So as per the density of the salt, N14 remains, as per the density of the N15, it remains therein. So now this is the control tube. So what Michelson-Stahl did to know exactly how this happens. So bacteria grown in N15, okay, that means they have all their DNA as N15. When they were transferred to N14, okay, after N14 transfer, they are given to, after one generation, almost 20 minutes, because E. coli doubles every 20 minutes. After 20 minutes time, the bacteria were taken from the N14 medium and their DNA was extracted, and it was subjected to the centrifugation in the new tube. The DNA occupied a position somewhere in between this. It is a narrow band, but it is between this heavy and nitrogen. So this is an intermediate position. It is neither to the lower band nor to the upper band. It occupied an intermediate position, and this is, so to say, hybrid DNA it is having. So because we cannot see DNA, because they saw that heavy DNA occupies this position, light DNA occupies this position, but bacteria grown in N15 transferred to N14 for one generation, DNA extracted and subjected to this density gradient centrifugation, that occupied an intermediate band, and from that, not only this one generation, this is after one generation, again second generation, they took this DNA. If you see in the second generation, this is first generation DNA, but in second generation, if it is taken, DNA was found in the intermediate position as well as upper position, light DNA. So if you see this DNA, neither this type nor this type, that means it has, because as per their proposition, it has one strand heavy, one strand light, that's why it occupied an intermediate position. Similarly, after next generation, if you see, this is N15 14, this one, एटा जो रिप्लिकेशन सरुची दीटा पुणी डीएन हम गोटाक N15 आउ जो नुआटा तैयारी हम दैट वुड बी N14 ए पेरेंटा कौन अच्छी N14 अच्छी एंड दिस न्यू वन वुड बी N14 बिकॉज ये बैक्टीरिया कोट अच्छा कल्चर मीडियम इन व्हिच अमोनियम क्लोराइड इज N14 टाइप सो जिते नुआ बैक्टीरिया तैयारी हे से N14 ही इनकॉर्पोरेट हम सो दैट्स वाई फर्स्ट generation after you will get intermediate band, after second generation you will be getting an intermediate band and a band just parallel to the N14 तमाने नुआ जोटा है वर्तमान एटा गोटे आसला N14 प्योर आ गोटा हाइब्रिड तमाने एटा हाइब्रिड पोजीशन हाइब्रिड डीएनए in terms of N14 and N15 this is purely N14 and N14 type but this is N14 आउ N15 type so subsequent जत्ते तंग ग्रो करी करी जीवो ताले N14 बैंड टा मोटा हे जीवो this thickness would increase and this would remain like this okay so from this their conclusion was like this the percentage of N14 strands increasing and this intermediate position because of this hybrid DNA and further 2 generation 3 generation 4 generation the thickness proportionately increases so this verified the semi conservative mode of DNA replication in bacteria so conclusively it is said that DNA replication is semi conservative okay. So in which one strand is parental, the other nascent strand or new strand is completely new. So this is the basis. So this was proved in prokaryote and in Vicia fava. Just for information, Vicia fava, which is broad bean, a legume family. In this, using tritiated thymine. Thymine you know thymine is unique to DNA it is not present in RNA it is only present in DNA when this tritiated thymine I mean to say AS3 hydrogen deuterium tritium when tritium is present in this thymine and this was given to a cell of Vicia fava dividing so there it labeled the new DNA is having tritiated thymine that means having or utilizing this tritiated thymine in replicating or dividing cells of Vicia fava the semi conservative mode of replication was confirmed in eukaryotes also okay after so DNA discovery in 1953 semi conservative mode of replication 1957 side by side people are also working exactly how exactly the DNA is replicating how the mechanism is so now we would proceed to DNA replication mechanism because I go phase by phase DNA replication so DNA replication as I told earlier it must take place before a cell divides a chromosome divides it is an event must take place before cell division now how the thing is so for DNA replication three basic concept must be understood. DNA is double stranded. DNA is double stranded. For replication to occur, three concepts must be understood. Three concepts. The two strands must unwind, because if we have a book, we cannot read this. For reading this, we have to open this. Similarly, when a DNA is there, the bases are in the core, the bases are in paired structure, paired manner, they cannot be read. So for any copy process, whether DNA to DNA or DNA to RNA, the DNA must unwind, must unwind. Now let me tell you, DNA is long thread. It doesn't open from one end to the other, or at a time it opens. It opens locally. If I do like this, you see at this point the two strands unwind, forming a loop, forming an eye. जमती आईटा खोलुची सेमती से गोटे पर्टिकुलर पोजिशन रे से खोलिबा आरंभ करिवो. आमे जन गोटे सूताटा को खोलिबा को चेष्टा कर अनवाइंड करूछंती सेटा गोटे लूप सृष्टि होची. So DNA replication starts at a particular point, exposing the bases of two strands. So the two strands must unwind locally first. This is the first criterion. Second, each strand. Now if I do each strand with exposed bases or with bases exposed acts as template. आम ओडिया टेम्पलेट कहला माने छांच बुझुछंती. आ गोटे छांच आ गोटे मूर्तिर मुह दे आर कम्प्लीमेंटरी. सिमिलरली जो गोटे स्ट्रैंड वर्तमान मुझे दीटा तक स्ट्रैंड को एमती ओपन कर देबी लोकाली, दिस इज लोकल अनवाइंडिंग. ए जगह पेयरिंग अच्छी, ए जगह पेयरिंग टा डिजॉल्व करी जाइछि. ए जगह पे सो नाउ हियर यू कैन सी इफ इट इज ए सी जी टी लाइक दिस. एमान जदि एमती लागिक अछंती एपटे टी थिबो, जी थिबो, ए थिबो, जी थिबो, सॉरी सी लाइक दिस. So now this is a template, this is another template. So each strand acts as a template. Unwinding, and unwinding allows availability of template. And third one is after completion of once जोटा मु कहूँ डीएनए रिप्लिकेशन मेकानिज्म एटा थरे एक्सपोज हो गला परे बाय ए पर्टिकुलर मेकानिज्म नुआ स्ट्रैंड तैयारी होबो. एठी धीरे धीरे एटा आगु को आगु खोली खोली जीवो. एई पुराणाटा को देखिकी गोटे नुआ स्ट्रैंड तैयारी होबो. सिमिलरली ए स्ट्रैंडटा को देखि गोटे नुआ स्ट्रैंड तैयारी होबो. एवं दे मस्ट बी कंप्लीट टू स्ट्रैंड्स. once seeing this parent strand as template, a new strand will be synthesized. The same event would be repeated in this, and after completion of replication in the both the strands, the two strands must rewind to form. एटा सांगरे गोटे नुआ स्ट्रैंड तैयारी होबो, या सांगरे गोटे नुआ स्ट्रैंड तैयारी होबो. से माने डबल हेलिक्स की ता माने अल्टीमेटली एट द एंड from one double stranded or one molecule of a DNA, two DNA molecules will be formed. So this concept should be kept in mind. So now this is board and pen. I am describing DNA replication here, but people worked day and night, years together to discover, unravel how DNA replication took place in the cell. And basically I want to tell you, out of prokaryotes and eukaryotes, prokaryotes E. coli played Escherichia coli. Escherichia coli played important role in understanding, or it was the experimental organism in understanding the replication of DNA, because it is a fast, easy to culture. This organism is easy to culture, usually non-infectious and very good organism. The first organism in the earth, thoroughly studied by the scientist. It is very scientist friendly organism, Escherichia coli. Do you know why it is called Escherichia coli? One interesting fact: in 1885, Theodore Escherichia found this bacterium from, or isolated this bacterium from human feces. मनुष्यर मलू ये जिनसा पाई मनुष्यर मलटा स्टोर हुए कोलन पार्ट्रु. सो दिस इज कोलन abundant bacterium discovered by Theodore Escherichia. That's why Escherichia. That's why the name Escherichia coli. And this organism proved to be very scientific friendly and very thoroughly studied. So now E. coli, a prokaryote, played important role. So the mechanism that will be described is based on prokaryotic cells, but we are eukaryotes. I will be telling some features of prokaryotic DNA replication and some of eukaryotic DNA replication. Ultimately, the mechanism is entirely on prokaryotic system. So prior to, because DNA is very complex process, prior to explaining DNA replication in detail, let me tell you what are the components involved. किए से involved, because I told you steps must be like this: separation, strand availability by template availability. Next is rewinding, unwinding, new strand synthesis and rewinding. Then components. What are the components involved? मुझे यदि पचारि आम बुझापी कौन कौन दरकार, मु कहली टेम्पलेट अवेलेबल. टेम्पलेट इज मस्ट. टेम्पलेट सिंगल स्ट्रैंड ऑफ DNA. Single strand of DNA. Then second, for synthesis of new strands, we know DNA is a polymer. It is a polymer for nucleotides. मो हाथटा जदि गोटे टेम्पलेट हुए एठी खाली खाली ए जदि एंत लागिक अच्छी ताले जो नुआ स्ट्रैंडटा हबो सेथिरे टी 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 लागिवो. से जो टीटा लागिवो गोटे टी लागिवा कारण ए को टी लागिवो आउ गोटे ए को टी लागिवो. ए टी टी भितरे ईस्टर बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन हबो. पुणी आउ गोटे टी लागिवो ईस्टर बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन हो. आउ गोटे टी लागिवो ईस्टर बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन हो. सो लाइकवाइज पॉलीमराइजेशन वुड गो ऑन. मुसीना खाली कहीदेली ये ए अच्छी किंतु डीएनए कौन सेमती ए अच्छी सबू अच्छी. फॉरगेट ऑफ द सीक्वेंस ए टी सी जी चारिटा जाक अच्छी एवं ये जो नुआ स्ट्रैंड तैयारी हो से ए टी जी सी सबू न्यूक्लियोटाइड दरकार. मुझे कहबी एगुड़ा गोटे गोटे इटा भाया जिनस जमी इटा मानक नहीं आम कांथ तैयारी करुँच सेमती ए न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स मानक नहीं एम कहुए बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स. सो टेम्पलेटर जरूरी, बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स जरूरी. building blocks. So these building blocks are nucleotides. से मन कह जाए कि ना डीऑक्सीराइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड ट्राइफॉस्फेट गोटे कॉमन ना डीऑक्सीराइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड ट्राइफॉस्फेट्स गोटे कॉमन ना किंतु से आसो डी एटीपी. एटीपी कहला माने एडेनोसाइन ट्राइफॉस्फेट किंतु डी लगे देले डीऑक्सी एडेनोसाइन ट्राइफॉस्फेट इट इज फॉर डीएनए सेमते डी एटीपी डी जीटीपी डी सीटीपी आउ डी टीटीपी ए हाँ डी टीटीपी सो चारिटा ताको बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक दे मस्ट बी रेडी एमान को जे प्रिकसर्स एमान को जे प्रिकसर्स बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स और प्रिकसर्स बिकॉज एटा सिना न्यूक्लियोटाइड सॉरी चेनटा हला टेम्पलेट को देखिकी एपटे जहाँ बेस अच्छी तार अपोजिट ए थिले टी लगे जी थिले सी लगे से जाके लगे सो एमाने बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स और एमाने केमती लगती ना बाय मीन्स ऑफ डिफ्यूजन सेल रे न्यूक्लियोटाइड चेन रहिला टेम्पलेट रहिला एमाने सेलटा गोटे छोट जगह एवं बाय ऑफ डिफ्यूजन दे अराइज दैट जो ए अच्छी सी पहुँची गला इट वोंट ए जगार जब टी पहुँचो ताले से दीटा हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड कर रहिला सेठी सी अच्छी जदि जी पहुँचला ताले सी आउ जी दे फॉर्म 3 हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स स्टेबल है एवं फास्ट न्यूक्लियोटाइड सेकेंड न्यूक्लियोटाइड भितर बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन हो सो दैट इज द वे ऑफ डूइंग आमे खाली इटा को थोईदेले कांथ होइजोनी इटा को थोइला परे ता भीतर गोटे सीमेंटिंग सब्सटेंस दबा एनर्जी मटेरियल दबा सेमती ये न्यूक्लियोटाइड गुड़ा सब एनर्जी आम एटीपी पढ़ी एनर्जी एडेनोसाइन ट्राइफॉस्फेट जीटीपी गुआनोसाइन एगुरा सब एनर्जेटिक न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स सो दे देमसेल्व्स कंटेन एनर्जी एंड दैट एनर्जी इज यूटिलाइज्ड फॉर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ईस्टर बॉन्ड बट हु डज इटा दरकार मटेरियल दरकार जो सीमेंटिंग मटेरियलटा दरकार और गोटे मिस्त्री दरकार दैट मिस्त्री इज एंजाइम ओके सो टेम्पलेट द प्लान the building blocks the nucleotides then will be coming to enzymes so the enzyme is DNA polymerase but in bacteria there are 3 DNA polymerases DNA polymerases are 3 type 1 2 3 ये जो 1 2 3 एटा होजी why this number तामन DNA pol 1 pol 2 pol 3 so these enzymes were discovered first this DNA polymerase was a polymerase was discovered in 1958 by Arthur Kornberg which is a Nobel laureate. Kornberg he discovered one enzyme in 1958 and that carries out to DNA polymerization in vitro test tube रे से माने DNA polymerization करवा स्टार्ट कला if given appropriate condition. So then that polymerase was discovered first. Subsequently other DNA polymerases were discovered. So depending on their order of discovery this Roman numeral is given. जेतेबेले गोटे एंजाइम बाहर थिला ता ना दिया हेता कोर्नबर्ग एंजाइम कहला माने समस्त बुझुतिले इट इज DNA polymerase okay जेतेबेले subsequently other DNA polymerases were discovered तापरे कोर्नबर्ग एंजाइम जोड़ा प्रथम डिस्कवर होता ताकू दिया गला 1 जे मझी माने सब्सिक्वेंटली 2 लास्ट रे जे डिस्कवर हला ताना दिया गला DNA polymerase 3 then it was found that DNA polymerase 3 is most important polymerizing enzyme out of 3 polymerases एबे आहुरी कोन there are 2 more polymerases discovered but that is not pertinent to our course. So what we have, we should go by that basic concept. So DNA pol 3 is important polymerizing enzyme, most important, but it is the major polymerizing enzyme. Okay, so one is requirement of template, building blocks and the enzyme. Before going to the actual process, if we understand the characters in the sense DNA polymerase तीन प्रकार DNA pol 1 2 3 this DNA polymerase polymerase in what direction mu usually mo ago ku जाए that is my way of movement mu जदि ताने this direction I go towards front not to back. Similarly this DNA polymerase in 5' to 3' direction धीरे धीरे आसिला show 5' to 3. So this DNA polymerase 3 has a polymerase activity in 5' to 3' direction. It cannot केबे ही कि 3' रू 5' direction रे करि परिबो नाही. It always 5' to 3'. It cannot come from 5' to 3' like this. It is never. Nine. Yes. So it is always goes in 5' to 3'. It is a unidirectional enzyme. But further it is a bifunctional enzyme. ये ए पटकू बढ़ी बढ़ी जीव ता नुआ न्यूक्लियोटाइड ऐड करी करी लेंथ बढ़ी बढ़ी जीव किंतु जदि फेरिबो ताले 1 by 1 ये डिलीट करी करी आसो सेथि पय इन बुक्स इट इज रिटेन DNA polymerase is a bifunctional enzyme. Bifunctional enzyme. It is a 5' 3' polymerase. 5' 3' polymerase. जदि रिवर्स आसीबो 3' डायरेक्शन रु जदि याडू आसिला इफ इट कम्स फ्रॉम 3' टू 5' it is an exonuclease. If it returns, it has that property. I will be telling. 5' to 3' direction रे गले केवल पॉलीमराइजेशन करी जीवो चेन रो लेंथ बढ़ई बढ़ई जीवो जेतेबेले 3' टू 5' फेरिबो सेथले काटी काटी आसीबो ए अगिलारु काटी काटी आसीबो तम चेन को कमे कमे आसीबो दरकार विल सी व्हाई. So this 3' to 5' exonuclease activity, please remember, it is necessary for proofreading mechanism. For example, तमे लेखि सारण खाता रे जेते बेले पढुचो पढ़ी जाउचो गोटे भूल बाहरला लेखि गलो देखला बेलू लास्ट वर्ड ता पूर्व वर्ड ओके लास्ट बट टू से वर्डटारे कौन है भूल है तुम कौन आसलो ताको संगे संगे काटिदेल काटिदे करेक्शन कर दो. सो मु कहीं फेरली ना पढ़ापी फेरली कहीं पढ़ुची ना मो लेखार काले भूल थी. सिमिलारली DNA पॉलीमराइजेशन चली जदि किसी भूल बेस आड हो गला ताहले मु कहीं भूलटा को आड करी रादर फेरी आसबि गोटे 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 काटी काटी आसबि जो जगार भूल हो से जगार करेक्ट बेस आड कर देकी फर्दर जीवी. जेमिति कि धरतु गोटे कांथर इटा बसी चली गोटे जगार इटा भूल हो गला मिस्त्री चाहूँ से इटाटा को काढ़ तेणुक से लास्ट रू काढ़ी काढ़ी आसगला से लेयर इटाटा जो इटाटा भूल बसी ताकू काढ़ीदेला गोटे ठीक से बसईदेला गोटे नुआ इटाटे बसई देकी पुणी फर्दर कंटिन्यू करगला. तमें भूलटा को करेक्शन करने ये पछुआ फेरिबा एक्टिविटीटा अच्छी. सो दिस एंजाइम इज ए बाइफंक्शनल एंजाइम. गोटे तैयारी करवा ग्रो कर एक्टिविटी दैट इज पॉलीमराइजेशन एक्टिविटी. द अदर पछ को फेरिबा 3' रू 5'. Any mistake if it occurs during replication that can be excised काटी के उड़े दबो एवं से जगह करेक्टा भरी के पुणी चलला. So that's why it has two types of thing. Okay, so I told you the property of this. Another, this cannot initiate new chain. मु खाली गोटे जिनस करूची एटा गोटे स्ट्रैंड DNA has two strands. ए स्ट्रैंडटा 3' 5' आरटा कौन हो तार अपोजिटा कम्प्लीमेंटारी एपटे थी कौन 5' एपटे थी 3'. नाउ आई विल कंसंट्रेट ऑन दिस. एटा है टेम्पलेट. दिस इज टेम्पलेट. व्हाई आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग बेटर बिकॉज दिस विल कमिंग इन द एग्जामिनेशन बिकॉज इट इज ए लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन अंडरलाइंड. So now this is a template. एगुड़ा हूँ तार सब एक्सपोज्ड बेसेस एटार सेमती एक्सपोज्ड बेसेस ओके एक्सपोज बेसेस एइथिरे सीइंग दिस टेम्पलेट नुआ डीएनए तैयारी हम आपको देखिक नुआ आम कि प्रथम कहले जे जो नुआ डीएनए तैयारी हम सेटा 5' to 3' मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ दिस DNA polymerase cannot initiate DNA polymerase cannot initiate a chain de novo गोटे कंप्लीट नुआ चेन से तैयारी करि परिबो नहीं सो व्हाट तमने ये आपको देखी गोटे नुआ चेन से तैयारी करि परिबो नहीं व्हाट इट नीड्स बिकॉज दैट इज इट्स लाकुना एटा एंजाइम रो प्रॉपर्टी वी कैनॉट चेंज दिस सो दैट्स व्हाई इट नीड्स ए प्राइमर से कहूँ जदि यही टेम्पलेट को देखी गोटे छोट सेगमेंट आगुर तैयारी हो जाइए तार गोटे 3' एंड अच्छी इफ आई ड्रॉ दिस यस if this kind of short segment is available एटा तो निश्चय तार 5' एंड हम बिकॉज इट इज कॉम्प्लीमेंटरी दिस इज 3' means 3' OH 5' means 5' P so now a short segment with 3' OH terminus and if it is available from there the DNA pol 3 can take up से जगार टेक अप करी नहीं जीव ताहले जेमिति कि आम छुआ दिने गोटे बड़ साइकेल आमको दिगला आम निजे चढ़ी पारना somebody सपोर्टिंग us because we don't have that height to go so somebody must prime us somebody must help us similarly one short segment of RNA is synthesized small segment of RNA is synthesized and this is called primer ता माने DNA replication हवा पूर्वरु टेम्पलेट को पहला गोटे लगे गोटे प्राइमर दैट प्राइमर इज एन RNA प्राइमर इट इज नॉट ए DNA दिस इज ए सेगमेंट ऑफ RNA ओके कौन कहली DNA polymerase cannot initiate a chain completely new it needs a short length of nucleotide okay short length of polynucleotide बा short chain with 10 ରୁ 12 न्यूक्लियोटाइड लंग हो तार गोटे 3' OH एंड थी सेमतिया चेन रु सेठो से फर्दर प्रोग्रेस करी जाइपर से इन द सेल सिस्टम दिस प्रोसेस इज डन बाय अनदर एंजाइम ता ना होची प्राइमोजोम देख प्राइमोजोम ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड प्राइमोजोम इज एन एंजाइम व्हाट इट डज ना इट सिंथेसाइजेस an RNA primer in the template ताले यही प्राइमोजोम एंजाइम रो फंक्शन है ये RNA प्राइमर तैयारी कर दबो 10 to 12 न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स लॉन्ग एवं जहार गोटे 3' OH न्यूक्लियोटाइड अच्छी सॉरी एंड अच्छी सेठू DNA पॉलीमरेज आरंभ करिवो सो नाउ व्हाट आर द नेसेसिटीज टेम्पलेट फाइन द न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स आई टोल्ड यू बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स that is important and RNA primer synthesized by primosome so whether it is prokaryote or eukaryote the fundamental process remains the same basic mechanism of molecular mechanism of DNA replication remains the same now we will proceed to the fundamental aspects certain things we have to take into consideration prokaryotic chromosome is circular it has 2 strands of DNA it has 2 strands of DNA एटा प्रोकैरियोटिक डीएनए, प्रोकैरियोटिक क्रोमोसोम. So I told you at one point replication, that means it has one replication origin. This point जो को DNA replication start with ताकू कहते origin ORIC, right? So this origin of replication or ORI also written, from this point DNA replication would start, and this ORIC is one AT rich region, AT rich region, and now an enzyme would start separating this. माखीटा बंद अच्छी जड़े कौन कला माखीटा को धरिक खोलिला, सो जो पॉइंट रू खोलिकी बोथ डायरेक्शन रे प्रोसीड कला. सिमिलरली इज द केस. नाउ दिस appears the shape like this. Now they are separated, or the two strands have unwound खोलीची. By seeing this एथिरे नुआ स्ट्रैंड तैयारी होबो, एथिरे नुआ स्ट्रैंड तैयारी होबो. एमती आमे एटा कहिबा एटा तार 3 डैश एंड हेले एटा 5 डैश एंड. सिमिलर दिस शुड बी 5 डैश, दिस शुड बी 3 डैश. So now DNA replication would proceeds by direction. So what is the takeaway from this? In prokaryotes, DNA replication starts at one point. It begins at one point, starts at a specific point, gotiye point, and second it proceeds bidirectionally, proceeds bidirectionally, and ultimately meets at the opposite end, ultimately meets at the opposite end. Now see, unwinding goes like this. एटा सिंगल स्ट्रैंड थिला एठी, एटा सिंगल स्ट्रैंड टेम्पलेट ताकू देखि नुआ स्ट्रैंड तैयारी होची, आकू देखि नुआ स्ट्रैंड तैयारी होची, एवं एटा धीरे धीरे खोली खोली जीवो, एपटकू खोली जीवो. So in both the parental strands, new strands would be synthesized. If you look at the third diagram, I can show you at the end 2 DNA molecules will be synthesized. 2 DNA molecules would be synthesized. One is parental strand, which is black in color. The other new one is red in color, that is nascent strand. So from one circle 2 DNA circles are formed. So prokaryotes have one DNA replication origin point, and from there it proceeds bidirectionally, and ultimately the replication points meet at the opposite end, releasing or forming 2 circles. Now what happens? And prokaryotic DNA replication is fast. Prokaryotic DNA replication is very fast, but eukaryotic DNA replication is very slow. So now let me tell you like this. It is a eukaryotic chromosome because eukaryotic chromosomes have long DNA molecules. If replication starts at this point and proceeds this way, it will take several months. But to finish replication in a short span of time, eukaryotic DNAs, which are very long, and the DNA replication is also very slow, I do tell you. So slow process, side by side, but slow polymerization, but instead the DNA molecules are long. To cope with this long DNA and slow process of DNA replication, to cope with that, eukaryotic chromosomes have, or they are divided into multiple replicants. So this is a unit of replication. That means the chromosome has been divided or the long DNA has been divided into different units. So several units are there. If here replication starts, it proceeds this way, it proceeds this way. If replication starts at this point, it proceeds this way, this way. As a result of which, replication starts at multiple sites in eukaryotic chromosome to compensate their long DNA as well as very slow rate of replication. So that's why eukaryotes have multiple replication unit in their chromosomes, multiple units of replication in chromosome. So whether it is prokaryote or eukaryote doesn't matter. From one point when the two DNAs separate and replication proceeds this way, and this is the starting point. This is the starting point. Replication goes this way, also this way. We will see. So now this region mu jahaku dotted korji, this is called a replication fork. Fork कहला माने छिटकिन एमतिका. So now this region mu जब invert कर दिए तार structure टा केमती हबो ना एमती. This is one. Okay, in this replication is going on, in this replication is also going on. तार आसीबो आमे देखिबा ता केमती चालुची, but replication is going on this way. New one. So this much एटा को कहंती गोटे replication fork. So now there are two replication forks, two replication forks for at a point. गोटे पॉइंट रे दीटा रिप्लिकेशन. सो व्हाट इवेंट्स टेक प्लेस हियर, द सेम इवेंट्स टेक्स प्लेस हियर, डजंट मैटर whether it is prokaryote or eukaryote. Enzymes, more enzymes are involved in eukaryotes and very less, comparatively less number of enzymes are involved in prokaryotes, but basic mechanism of replication remains the same in both. But for our purpose in our syllabus we describe the replication mechanism in prokaryotes. So subsequently our focus would be on prokaryotic replication or replication mechanism in prokaryotes.